Hello and welcome to Ecoholics. In this video, we will discuss about Economics Optional Mains Examination Question Paper. So we will see, this is the fourth video in our series. I hope you have seen the previous three. And we have also discussed the directives, how to understand the question, that is the link given in the description. So we'll discuss the paper that was held in January 2022, UPSC Economics Optional Mains Paper. So we are discussing paper 2 of optional. And we are now discussing the fourth question of it. So as usual, we discuss how to comprehend the question first. So here we'll see what they're asking. The first important point to note here is, do you think? So they're asking your opinion. So we'll read the question. Do you think that India experienced a major break in GDP growth? So what they are talking about, major break in GDP growth and its sectoral composition during the 1980s. Here you have to give the reason. So in simple sense, what they're asking is sectoral composition. What are these sectoral composition? Primary sector, secondary and tertiary. It means agriculture related. Then the secondary is industry, manufacturing, and tertiary is service sector related. So what they're asking, that do you think that India experienced a major break? Why major break? Because if we talk about 1980s, we can take 1980 to 90. So at that time, India started gradual liberalization. So liberalization actually happened in the year 1991, what we call LPG reforms. But it started gradually in the 80s, as soon as Rajiv Gandhi came into the power. So at that time, the gradual liberalization started. That's why they are saying India experienced a major break. Break, why break? Because previously India was an agrarian economy, and from agrarian to later on service-based economy they have shifted. So this is what we call the major break, what they are expecting you to answer it. So in the simple, what do you have to write here? You just have to give the reasons why it happened. Mainly it happened just because of the change in the nature of the economy. So agriculture sector was doing well, and the government was trying to shift to the other areas. Other areas, we can say the service sector, the manufacturing sector. Industrial sector was heavily protected. That's why it was not able to grow at that particular time that was desired. So these are the things that you have to write. One important point here you have to take care of it is that whenever you are giving reasons, and when the question asks, do you think, don't give your own opinion, okay? Give the opinion which is written in the newspaper, which is given by the experts, which is given in the books, okay? If you give your own personal opinion, that opinion may be biased, may be driven by some ideology, etc. So that is why whenever they will ask, do you think, do not write your own viewpoint, okay? That you have to keep in mind. If you have any doubt in this question, you can ask in the comment section, or my WhatsApp number is also given in the description. Next question, the word examine. Now the word examine, I hope you have seen those videos of directives. So examine the relative role of demand side factors in determining national income in India. So what they are asking, a role of what? Demand side factors, okay, in determining national income in India. So they are talking about India's national income. Here you have to examine. Examine means, like for example, you will give the paper, the evaluator will examine your answers. So it means you have to be unbiased in giving opinion. So here you can say the demand side factors. What are those demand side factors? If you remember the expenditure method of national income, so all kind of expenditure, government, consumption, investment, foreign. So these are the factors. So relative role of demand side factors, these are quite heavy, we can say. If we talk about the consumption, so we'll see consumption, private plus government, then investment, okay, and net exports. So these are some of the demand side factors. So consumption, we can say, what is the relative role of the demand side factors? Obviously demand side factors will generate the demand, aggregate demand. Government will spend and people will consume. So investment, both private and the government. So here also private and government. Consumption also private government consumption. Net exports, so it includes exports as well as imports. So these are the things that you have to write and their role. Okay, I hope you understand. So first you understand the demand of the question, then you write what are the things required. Okay, last question of this fourth one. Again, do you think that non-income dimensions should be treated as complementary to income dimensions in measuring poverty in India? Give reason. Okay, so again, do you think, it means what are the major two factors of this question is, one is non-income dimension, because you have to focus here, and then you have to focus little bit on income dimensions as well. Why income dimensions is generally, we can say, directly related to your salary or purchasing power, but non-income dimensions, I can say the living condition, okay, access to credit, okay, access to water, sanitation, okay, education, health, okay, then society. So non-income dimensions, obviously the answer is yes, non-income dimensions should be treated as complementary, because whatever you'll do with these, you require income. And so for that we can say purchasing power. So purchasing power is the most important income dimension when measuring poverty or poverty line in India. So give reason why, because if you have the purchasing power, you will be able to purchase these services. So obviously these are complementary to each other. If you don't have money, you will not be able to get access to health, education, etc. So the same lines you have to give that both are complementary to each other. Okay, so these are the three questions that we had discussed in this video. In the next video we'll discuss about the fifth question, that is of section B. So section A we have completed here of paper 2. So stay tuned. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to Ecoholics. All the economics optional video, they are absolutely free, available on Ecoholics mobile app. So you can just download the app and get access to all the videos of economics optional. There are long lectures available on app. So if you like those, you can just download the app. Apart from that, if you want to directly interact with me, you can just contact on my WhatsApp number given in the description. Okay, so this is the fourth video. Upcoming videos you must see, and that will be very helpful for your understanding of UPSC questions. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.